Life teems all around us. We see it in the trees, the birds, the insects, and even in our reflection. But there exists a vast and hidden world, invisible to the naked eye. This is the world of microorganisms, or microbes for short. Microbes are everywhere. They fill the air we breathe, inhabit the soil beneath our feet, and teem within the water we drink. In fact, there are more microbes on a single human hand than there are stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Despite their tiny size, microbes play a monumental role in our world. They are essential for life as we know it, driving vital processes that keep our planet habitable. Without microbes, life on Earth would cease to exist. This essay delves into the fascinating world of microbes, exploring their incredible diversity, their essential roles in the environment, and their profound impact on humanity. Bacteria are single-celled organisms that represent the oldest and most abundant form of life on Earth. They are prokaryotes, meaning they lack a true nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Bacteria display an incredible range of shapes and sizes, from the rod shape found in our gut to the spiral shape that causes Lyme disease. Some bacteria are photosynthetic, using sunlight to produce energy, while others obtain energy by breaking down organic matter. Bacteria play crucial roles in nutrient cycling, decomposition, and even in the production of food. They are also found in symbiotic relationships with other organisms, including humans. For example, bacteria in our gut help us digest food and produce essential vitamins. However, some bacteria can be harmful, causing diseases such as pneumonia, tuberculosis, and cholera. The discovery of antibiotics in the 20th century revolutionized medicine by providing a way to combat bacterial infections. Viruses occupy a unique position in the biological world. They are not considered truly alive as they lack the cellular machinery to replicate on their own. Instead, viruses are essentially packets of genetic material, DNA or RNA, encased in a protein coat. Viruses infect cells by attaching to their surface and injecting their genetic material. This hijacks the host cell's machinery, forcing it to produce more viruses. The new viruses then burst out of the cell, often killing it in the process, and go on to infect other cells. Viruses are responsible for a wide range of diseases in humans, animals, and plants. These include the common cold, influenza, HIV, AIDS, and COVID-19. Viruses can also infect bacteria, sometimes using them as factories to produce more viruses. While viruses are often associated with disease, they also play important roles in ecosystems. For example, some viruses infect and kill bacteria, helping to regulate bacterial populations. Fungi are a diverse group of organisms that include mushrooms, molds, and yeasts. Unlike plants, fungi cannot produce their own food through photosynthesis. Instead, they obtain nutrients by breaking down dead organic matter, playing a vital role as decomposers in ecosystems. Fungi have a unique structure, consisting of thread-like filaments called hyphae that form a network known as mycelium. Mycelia can spread through soil, wood, and other materials, secreting enzymes that break down complex organic molecules into simpler compounds that fungi can absorb. Fungi play crucial roles in nutrient cycling, releasing essential elements like nitrogen and phosphorus back into the environment where they can be reused by other organisms. Some fungi form symbiotic relationships with plants called mycorrhizae, where fungal hyphae grow around plant roots, enhancing the plant's uptake of water and nutrients. While many fungi are beneficial, some can cause diseases in plants and animals, including humans. For example, athlete's foot and ringworm are fungal infections. However, fungi also provide us with valuable products, including antibiotics like penicillin, food like mushrooms and bread made with yeast, and even fermented beverages like beer and wine. Section 5. Archaea, life's extremists. Archaea are single-celled organisms that were once classified as bacteria but are now recognized as a distinct domain of life. Like bacteria, archaea are prokaryotes, lacking a true nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Archaea are often found in extreme environments where other organisms cannot survive. These include hot springs, highly acidic or alkaline waters, and even deep-sea hydrothermal vents. These extremophiles have evolved unique adaptations to thrive in these challenging conditions. Some archaea are methanogens, producing methane gas as a byproduct of their metabolism. Methanogens are found in swamps, sewage treatment plants, and even in the guts of animals, including humans. While archaea are not known to cause diseases, they play important roles in nutrient cycling and other ecological processes. Section 6. Protozoa single-celled hunters. Protozoa are a diverse group of single-celled eukaryotic organisms. Unlike bacteria and archaea, protozoa have a true nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Protozoa exhibit a wide range of shapes, sizes, and modes of locomotion. Some, like amoebas, move by extending pseudopods, temporary projections of their cytoplasm. Others, like paramecia, are covered in hair-like cilia that beat rhythmically, propelling them through water. Many protozoa are predatory, feeding on bacteria, algae, and even other protozoa. They play important roles in controlling populations of other microorganisms in aquatic and soil ecosystems. Some protozoa are parasitic, living inside other organisms and causing diseases. Malaria, for example, is caused by a protozoan parasite that infects mosquitoes and humans. Section 7. Microbes and the environment. Microbes play crucial roles in maintaining the health and balance of our planet. They are essential for nutrient cycling, decomposition, and even the regulation of the Earth's climate. Bacteria and fungi are the primary decomposers in most ecosystems. They break down dead organic matter, such as fallen leaves, dead animals, and even sewage, into simpler compounds. This process releases essential nutrients back into the environment, making them available for other organisms to use. Microbes also play a vital role in the nitrogen cycle, which is essential for all life on Earth. Nitrogen is a key component of DNA, RNA, and proteins, but most organisms cannot use nitrogen gas directly from the atmosphere. Certain types of bacteria, known as nitrogen-fixing bacteria, can convert nitrogen gas into ammonia, a form that plants can readily use. Microbes also influence the Earth's climate. For example, some archaea living in wetlands produce methane, a potent greenhouse gas. While methane is naturally present in the atmosphere, human activities such as agriculture and fossil fuel extraction have increased methane emissions, contributing to climate change. Section 8. The microbiome, our inner ecosystem. The human body is home to trillions of microbes, collectively known as the human microbiome. These microbes, mostly bacteria but also fungi, viruses, and archaea, reside on our skin, in our mouths, and throughout our digestive tract. The human microbiome plays a crucial role in our health and well-being. Bacteria in our gut help us digest food, produce essential vitamins, and even influence our immune system. They compete with harmful bacteria for resources, preventing them from colonizing our gut and causing disease. The composition of our microbiome is influenced by a variety of factors, including our genetics, diet, and environment. Disruptions to the balance of our microbiome, such as through antibiotic use or a poor diet, can have negative consequences for our health, potentially leading to digestive issues, weakened immune function, and even mental health issues. Section 9. Microbes in industry and technology. Humans have harnessed the power of microbes for millennia. We use microbes to produce a wide range of food products, including bread, cheese, yogurt, beer, and wine. Yeast, a type of fungus, is essential for bread making, where it ferments sugars, releasing carbon dioxide gas that causes bread to rise. Bacteria are used in the production of many fermented foods, including yogurt, cheese, and sauerkraut. During fermentation, bacteria convert sugars into lactic acid, which acts as a natural preservative and gives these foods their characteristic tangy flavor. Microbes are also used in biotechnology and medicine. For example, genetically engineered bacteria are used to produce insulin, a hormone essential for regulating blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. Microbes are also being explored as potential sources of biofuels, biodegradable plastics, and even new antibiotics. Section 10. Conclusion. Appreciating the microbial world. The world of microbes, though invisible to the naked eye, is teeming with life, diversity and complexity. From the bacteria that inhabit our gut to the fungi that decompose organic matter, microbes play essential roles in the environment and in our own lives. Understanding the microbial world is crucial for addressing global challenges such as disease, climate change and food security. By harnessing the power of microbes, we can develop new solutions for a healthier and more sustainable future. As we continue to explore the microbial world, we are constantly discovering new and fascinating aspects of these tiny but mighty organisms. Appreciating the importance of microbes is essential for fostering a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all life on Earth.